Here's how to remove or delete a repost on TikTok. Now you can see here I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to show you exactly how to remove that repost if you no longer wanted to share that with your audience. Now on either phone, we're first just going to tap on the profile button at the bottom right. After you've done that, you can see it defaults to all of your videos. However, you're going to take your finger and swipe to the left, and then swipe to the left again. Again, on Android, swipe to the left, left, and left again until you get to this screen with those two arrows pointing in a circle. These are all of your reposts. To delete them or remove them, tap on a repost, tap on the share button at the bottom right, and then tap on delete repost. After you've done that, you can see if I go back out of here and refresh, it no longer has that repost here, or on my Android phone, it won't let me refresh it right now, but essentially it has deleted that repost. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.